everyone. It's Erika Page, and I am sending this message to you as I do every month. I'm getting this video to you for two reasons. One is to wish you a happy fall. Clocks have turned back, the weather has cooled, and kids are getting excited about Halloween. Did you know that there are some other interesting holidays in October, such as World Teacher Day, National Vodka Day, and National Transfer Money to Your Daughter Day? Now, since I have three daughters, I'm glad that day only comes once a year. But of course, the most popular is Halloween. And in fact, at the end of this video, I will give you details about a huge fall event that's always a good, cheap time for the whole family. Now, the other reason I'm coming to you is to let you know that my October Homeward Bound real estate newsletter is on its way to you if you haven't received it in the mail already. Hope you enjoy the news. Now, in this month's issue, I express how important it is to give yourself a treat during this month of tricks. I also highlight our special lifetime guarantee that you can share with those you know that are considering a move. And of course, I detail how your referrals really do help the kids. So while I've got your attention, just a reminder, our Goal Serve Big mission to raise $25,000 for Children's Healthcare of Atlanta is still on, and we can use your help. As you probably know, CHOA does great work in helping kids fight through and survive nasty diseases and cancers, as well as early diagnosis of autism and spinal cord injury. And since Children's Hospital is a nonprofit, they depend on sponsorships and donations to continue their leading edge care and keep costs down for the families of those amazing kids. We remain committed to donating a portion of our income from selling homes to the great work that they do, so your referrals really do help the kids. Anyone you know considering buying or selling a home? If so, please refer them to my real estate sales team. Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service, but a very worthy cause will benefit as well. You can always call me directly at 678-360-6370 or 678-915-9286 is our office number, and please forward my number on. So thanks again for checking out this month's Homeward Bound newsletter and supporting our Goal Serve Big mission for Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. Have an awesome month. Now, good cheap fun. Buford Corn Maze. So I take my family there every year. My kids have grown up, and it just stays interesting no matter what the age is. There's rides like hay rides and stuff. Nothing huge. It's not like a big carnival or anything, but really just kind of good, clean fun. And then the biggest challenge is the actual corn maze. Now, last year, it was getting dark and we could not beat the maze. And I was getting nervous and I started calling for help. And fortunately, people came to help. But maybe you and your family can get through quickly. I suggest you do it while the sun is up. Anyway, we had a great time. You guys will have a great time. It's very inexpensive. I highly recommend it. That's the corn maze that I know. You guys probably know about some corn mazes and some other fall stuff as well. Feel free to put any notes here on the posts so everybody can find out about it. Okay, you guys, have a super fantastic fall. Have an awesome day.